Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Sweat. We back with another POV, and today we are getting off of campus. Yo, we've been here for so long. Your boy needs a change of scenery. I'm sick of seeing this campus, man. It's kind of crazy, but you know, another day, another dollar. Jay Sweat out here, he gon' holler. But yeah, man, we chillin'. Big time, you know, trying to get that education, yo. Nothing crazy at all. Whew, boy, I turn off traction, y'all. Hey, man, I got some mods in the trunk for y'all that we will be getting installed. I don't know exactly when, but we will be getting them bad boys installed at some point. But yeah, we out. Ooh, baby. Smooth little day. Every light today. I'm not trying to be near this campus no longer. But yeah, man, y'all, we really chilling today. Nothing too crazy. I feel like I've got hit with yellow lights every time I'm coming up or coming through an intersection. God dang. Y'all see, we out here chilling, man. Y'all comment down below. Do I need a wind muff for this GoPro? Because now I have zero clue if I do or not. Like, is the wind bad? Y'all let me know. Oh man, how I love my B58. Oh man. Hey y'all. Exhaust is on the way. I know it's been what? I think I've had this car for, nah, I still haven't had this car for a year. I've had this car for more than, I don't even know what just happened, but yeah. I've had this car for more than 10 months for sure. And y'all, this car desperately needs an exhaust. Like, the Gen 3 B58s desperately need one. And once it gets here, we will slap that bad boy on here. Will I be installing it myself? Hell nah. But it will get installed. I tell you that much. And honestly, I'm really contemplating, y'all, about swapping out my intake. Because the intake I have, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but I kind of want like everything to kind of be like in the same brand, if that makes sense. Because right now the intake I have is just the Amazon intake. Nothing crazy. I mean, but it does what it gotta do. Hey, yo, don't be swerving, bro. I see you over there with them slight little swerves. Hell no. Let me go ahead and get from beside you, but I'll get right on in front of you. Appreciate you. Because hell no. I don't want no smoke with that. That's a cute little Porsche. You don't want no smoke bit out. Ooh, M3 comp. That bitch clean as hell. And it's black. That twin. Whew, baby. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all been up to, man. You know, I'm trying to get back into my mode. I've been trying to find time to pop out POVs. I mean, of course, y'all know I have to drive at some point to get to where I be at. So, you know, we be trying to figure it out. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all been up to. Oh, I hear somebody bumping that YB over there. Hey, y'all comment down y'all favorite artists, man. YB is not mine, I will say that. Like, I like some of his songs, but majority, I probably could live without listening to. My favorite artist, I don't have one. I just like underground music. So, yeah, man, nothing too crazy about that. Y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all like. As long as nobody in my comments say Taylor Swift, I'm cool with you. And that's like, that's some serious business. Me and T Swift is not friends, twin. Gonna squeeze through here real quick. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Yo, this Tesla must have just got washed. I see water falling out the bottom. Baby. Nice little baby pool. Big baby pool. Oh, man. Ah, man, now I'm getting hit with a bunch of red lights. Dang. Hey, man, I'll pick y'all back up once I get through this red light. Alright, y'all. Finally through that red light. Man, I'm getting sick of red lights, yellow lights, and all that, man. Your boy's just trying to get to the current eating. Like, that's all I want to do. I just want to go home and lay down for a little bit. Oh, man. It's actually good weather out here today, too. And I'm about to get hit with another light, bro. There is no way. What is this car doing? Just get over. Hey, how you doing, sir? Goddamn. Come on, like, turn green for it, brother. I'm trying to get on the highway and start dancing a little bit. Let's go. All right. I thought I was about to go right there, y'all. I'm sorry. Fuck she staring at? But I lost a little bit of traction right there. That's a first for me. I don't never lose traction. Oh shit, this shit got a little bit of power to it. Oh shit. Or is the road just shitty? I think the road is just shitty, y'all. God damn. I see a Challenger. I see a Challenger. And I shall hawk this nigga down. This nigga shall give me the 50 up the road. Today. Bring that ass here, boy. Let's see what the nigga tam at. Let's see what that boy tam at. Hey, little Dodge boy. Bring that ass here, boy. Little Dodge boy thought he was slick. Oh, it's a little V6. It ain't nothing crazy. It's just a little V6. I thought it was something worth fucking with. That'd be the one downside, man. I be thinking I done seen something. I got about to catch me another body. But man, it's just be some bullshit. Fuck. It is what it is, though. I ain't tripping. But yeah, man, y'all see, we got a nice little cruise down the highway. Going down the highway like it's my way. Stupid ass. get us a few little downshifts, nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying? To get a little gap so we can hit a baby pool. Oh, one more. Okay. We're gonna go slight little pull at 65. Hey. Yes, sir. Like I said, slight little pull, nothing crazy. Oh, man. I really love this car, y'all. This car is like very just, it's fun to just like kind of drive. It's so like, I don't even know. It's like a versatile ass car. This shit can do whatever. You can go fast. You can bob and weave. You can chill. Shit. You can't chill in every car, because some cars, if you chill, you just look like butt. That's just my opinion, though. You feel different, that's on you. That's my opinion. But yeah, man. We headed to the spinning so we can go lay down for a little bit. We off work today, y'all, so you know we chillin'. Big time. Oh, please don't be traffic. There's probably just some congestion. Because people act like they don't know how to go around or switch lanes. Everybody want to drive slow in the left lane. Honestly, I have no clue why you even brought your ass to the left lane. Like, what the fuck? Oh yeah, and I'm going back this way. Hey, thank you. Appreciate you, shout. Appreciate you, shout. Nothing crazy at all. Nothing crazy at all. Hit a few mother. God damn. I heard a Mustang. I don't know where that shit went, but I heard it. But yeah, man. That's gonna do it for today's POV, y'all. Nothing crazy, something short, something light. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to get back to into that mode of dropping content consistently. Hope y'all enjoyed today's POV. You know, thank you for the quick drive with Sweat. Like the video, please. And I'm out.
She keep tryna neck me. I gotta tell my bestie.